In the ever-evolving landscape of the job market, the notion of job security that once permeated the career aspirations of previous generations has become a fading echo. The conventional path to obtaining a university degree as the golden ticket to success is no longer the only route to a fulfilling and prosperous career. As we navigate the dynamic terrain of today's employment environment, it becomes increasingly important to equip ourselves with the skills that set us apart and open doors to diverse opportunities. So today, I'll take you to 10 skills that will change your life. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Cybersecurity. In an era marked by technological advancements, the digital landscape is not without its vulnerabilities. Cybersecurity has emerged as a critical field, dedicated to protecting sensitive information and safeguarding digital assets from malicious attacks. This technical skill requires a deep passion for mastering the intricacies of cybersecurity, complemented by a series of specialized courses. With an acute shortage of cybersecurity experts in the market, the demand for these professionals continues to surge. A career in cybersecurity promises substantial financial rewards, with entry-level positions commanding respectable salaries and avenues for exponential growth. Given the escalating threat of cyber attacks, the significance of this skill cannot be overstated. Number 2. CPR or First Aid Certification. The desire to enter the medical field has always been tempered by the daunting prospect of years of education and training. However, for those with a passion for helping others and a limited budget, there is a viable alternative: CPR and First Aid Certification. These courses provide individuals with the expertise to respond effectively to emergencies, potentially saving lives. The knowledge gained from such certifications can lead to various avenues including teaching, coaching, or even private instruction, particularly in activities such as swimming. Possessing this skill not only empowers individuals to contribute positively to society, but also enhances their employability in a range of roles. Number 3. Accounting. Accounting, often dismissed as monotonous, possesses an extraordinary potential that is frequently underestimated. With average annual salaries reaching $80,000 and a broad spectrum of industries seeking adept accountants, this skill presents endless opportunities. Businesses across sectors such as food, entertainment, education, and banking require skilled individuals to manage their financial records. Contrary to common belief, pursuing an independent degree in accounting at a university is not a prerequisite. Numerous reputable online institutions offer comprehensive accounting courses that can be completed in significantly less time than a traditional degree program. Upon entering an accounting field, continuous professional development is essential. Regularly participating in refresher courses and advancing your accounting skills can propel you from an entry-level position to a coveted senior role. Should you encounter challenges securing a desirable position, your accounting prowess provides the foundation to launch your own successful business. This skill undoubtedly contributes as a vital ingredient to the recipe of entrepreneurial triumph. Number 4. Online marketing. The digital revolution has fundamentally altered the way businesses operate, creating a burgeoning demand for skilled online marketers. As companies increasingly rely on online platforms to connect with their customers, the role of a digital marketer has become pivotal in driving business success. Mastery of online marketing techniques, including social media management and traffic generation, positions individuals for a dynamic career in the digital realm. Enrolling in comprehensive online marketing courses offers an opportunity to gain a competitive edge and potentially embark on the journey as a digital entrepreneur. The flexibility of this career path, coupled with the possibility of being one's own boss, renders it an attractive prospect in the contemporary job market. Number 5. Public speaking. While some skills find their roots in textbooks, others, like public speaking, demand a deep exploration of self-confidence and the harnessing of your innate abilities. A journey into public speaking involves enrolling in courses designed to refine your communication prowess. Whether pursued through online platforms or adult and community education centers, these courses guide you towards effective communication and eloquence. Public speaking is a gateway to unlocking career opportunities and reaping rewards from speaking engagements. The impact of the skill is also far-reaching, bringing not just monetary gains, but also invaluable connections and personal growth. In a world where effective communication can be the differentiating factor, public speaking stands as a prized asset, potentially eclipsing the advantages of a traditional university degree. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the Thrive Wise love so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, number 6, notarization. For those who have considered a legal career but didn't quite make it to becoming a lawyer, the path of a notary could hold considerable promise. As a notary, you become a legal authority, authorized to oversee and witness the signing of crucial documents, serving as a seal of authenticity. Referred to as a notary public witness, you play a pivotal role, often working with government agencies. To attain this esteemed position, a comprehensive course spanning up to 6 hours, followed by a rigorous examination, is necessary. Upon successfully passing the exam, you earn the coveted title of a certified notary public witness. While the cost of taking the required classes and exams amounts to around $180, some fortunate individuals might find their employers willing to cover these expenses. This role, though seemingly unglamorous, offers a lucrative income avenue. However, integrity is paramount in this field, as any unethical practices can lead to dire consequences. Thus, it is vital to uphold the highest standards of professionalism and ethics. Number 7. Learning another language. The pursuit of learning a new language is an investment that transcends communication barriers and broadens horizons. Strategically choosing a language to learn can position you for future opportunities, especially in an increasingly globalized world. Proficiency in multiple languages opens avenues for translation work, cross-cultural communication, and even lucrative tutoring endeavors. The diverse career possibilities that arise from mastering another language shows the versatility of this skill. Number 8. Cooking. Among the array of skills, perhaps the most delectable is cooking. The world of cuisine and gastronomy is a realm that holds immense potential, often underestimated by those who view it solely as a hobby. As individuals around the world found themselves confined to their homes during lockdowns, a culinary renaissance was ignited. The internet witnessed a surge of home cooks and food enthusiasts who honed their skills through online resources, from YouTube tutorials to Skillshare programs. Remarkably, many of these culinary aficionados have never set foot in a formal culinary school, yet they have captivated audiences across platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. While whipping up a basic pasta dish or mastering your grandma's famous pie recipe may be second nature, delving deeper into the culinary arts offers a world of possibilities. You can explore your creativity by enrolling in online cooking classes or even establish a home-based restaurant, showcasing your culinary creations for online orders. Sharing your expertise on platforms like YouTube could also open doors to becoming a revered culinary influencer, attracting followers eager to replicate your mouth-watering dishes. The culinary world welcomes all ages, making it an enticing avenue for both the young and the young at heart, potentially leading you to question the traditional significance of a university degree. Number 9. Coding. In the digital era, coding has evolved from a niche pursuit to a skill of paramount importance. With technology steering the course of the modern world, the demand for skilled programmers is soaring. Learning programming languages opens doors to diverse career paths, with the added benefit of making you a versatile asset in an evolving job market. Remarkably, formal degrees are not mandatory. A grasp of basic programming and computer knowledge can serve as your launchpad. Whether you're developing a business website or engaging in software development, coding provides a dynamic and potentially lucrative avenue for career growth. And finally, we have number 10, graphic design. The realm of graphic design is an artistic avenue, brimming with opportunities for those willing to venture beyond traditional educational paths. Unlike the arduous pursuit of formal degrees, graphic design can be acquired through concise online courses. What sets this skill apart is its accessibility. Formal training or a university degree are not prerequisites. Embracing graphic design as a side hustle offers a platform to exhibit your creativity and monetize your work. With a nominal investment of just $29 on a reputable online creative platform, you can embark on a journey to master the skill and potentially establish a thriving career in visual design. As we explore the treasure trove of life-changing skills, a vivid tapestry of opportunities emerges. These skills, often pursued outside the conventional framework of a university degree, possess the potential to redefine your career trajectory. Embracing these skills equips you with unique tools to navigate the ever-changing landscape of the job market. While a university education undoubtedly offers benefits, it is essential to recognize that the path to success is multifaceted. By embracing alternative skills, you empower yourself to adapt, excel, and succeed in a world characterized by rapid transformation and evolving professional landscapes. Well, that's basically 10 skills that will change your life. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.